Hey Fit Fam, it's a girl call me Miss Y. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We do cardio, toning, fit tips and more. Find me on Instagram at Call Me Miss Y and Facebook at Lorino Win. Okay, let's get it poppin'. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Call Me Miss Y here. If you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button because it really supports my channel. Today we're doing a full day of eating. I'm going to be showing you my breakfast, my lunch and dinner. And be sure to comment in the comment section below. Tell me, how do you maintain a healthy lifestyle? What do you eat? Let's create a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Help each other grow. Okay, enjoy. Ciao. So to kickstart my mornings, I usually just make a mix of warm water with lemon juice, but today I wanted to try something new, so I was doing a little squeeze of lemon juice. Ideally it would have been the whole lemon, but I just decided to use half a lemon because the cup is just 300 ml, with some grated ginger, finely grated ginger, apple cider vinegar and honey to sweeten if you'd like. I personally don't like to use honey, so I just left it as is, plus some hot water, and that's just to kickstart your metabolism, detox your system, you know. So that's the first thing that I drank in the morning. And then I started to work on my breakfast. So I decided to make a green juice because it's a good way of getting tons of veggies in without the labor of eating veggies, you know, if you just don't like veggies that much. So I just use my Russell Hobbs juicer that I got second hand of Gumtree because I didn't want to buy a new one when I could get a second hand one. So I just juiced some apple. Did I juice? No, there wasn't apple. It's kale, actually. Kale, carrots and lemon with some orange. Yeah, and the kale was straight from the garden, so yay, that's cool. Then along with my breakfast, I decided to have some leftover veggies that were just left in my fridge and turn it into an omelette, and some leftover chicken breast as well. So it's just simply frying up a bit of onion. I had one mushroom left so I used the one mushroom with some leftover chicken and just sauteed it in my ancient pan. Can we just give homage to how ancient my pan is? So I just sauteed it until everything had sort of cooked down, and I usually use 3 eggs in my omelette, but today I only had 2, so yay. I just had to make do with the 2 eggs. So it's just sauteing the veggies until they are done and then doing the egg on its own. You know, if you're just trying to make a quick breakfast, I think this is a good way to get in tons of protein in a short amount of time, you know, without having to put in that much effort to come up with a yummy breakfast. I think it tastes quite good actually for a healthy breakfast. So once I get the egg going, then I just add in the veggies and we're done. So I also like to add extra veggies whenever I can. So I just use a raw beetroot that I grated and added on the plate, and there you go with my green juice, and breakfast was ready. For lunch today I was quite lazy to cook, so I just did a smoothie, a protein smoothie. So I used a whole banana, tons of kale and some protein powder because I was going to be sharing it with my brothers, like my brother-in-law and my cousin brother. So I just decided to make enough for all of us. I topped it with some chia seeds and mint for extra fiber and, you know, aesthetics to make it look pretty. And then finally I made some dinner from leftovers. So I had some leftover veggie stir fry, some pre-made rice and lentils that I keep in the freezer, and then I just added some leftover mince from the previous night again, and dinner was ready. You know, if you don't have time to be cooking all the time, then you can always eat leftovers and you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed my full day of eating, And if you've got any tips and tricks that you also use, to diversify your meals and keep things exciting, just let us know in the comment section below. Let's interact and, advise, teach one another. You can always learn a new thing every new day, So thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. New videos each week. Thank you. Bye.